You might not hear about lutetium every day, but its impact is immense, from life-saving medical technologies to cutting-edge electronics. So, what makes lutetium so special? For starters, it's the last member of the lanthanide series, boasting the atomic number 71. This silvery-white metal is not only the hardest and densest of the lanthanides, but also one of the rarest elements on Earth. Its rarity drives up its value, making it a sought-after material in specialized applications. In the medical field, lutetium shines brightly. Take lutetium-177, for example. This radioactive isotope is a game-changer in targeted radionuclide therapy, effectively treating cancers like neuroendocrine tumors and prostate cancer. By emitting beta radiation, it precisely targets and destroys cancer cells while sparing healthy tissue, offering hope to many patients. But lutetium's contributions don't stop there. In the field of medical imaging, lutetium oxy-orthosilicate enhances PET scans, providing clearer and more accurate images for better diagnosis and monitoring of medical conditions. Imagine the difference precise imaging makes in saving lives. Switching gears to the nuclear industry, lutetium-176 plays a crucial role in radiometric dating. With a half-life of about 3.78 billion years, it helps scientists determine the age of meteorites and geological samples, unraveling the mysteries of our planet's history. In the field of electronics and photonics, lutetium-based phosphors are key players in energy-efficient LED lighting and fluorescent lamps. Its ability to emit bright, stable light makes it indispensable in creating sustainable lighting solutions. Plus, lutetium aluminum garnet is essential in solid-state lasers and radiation detectors, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in technology. Despite its high cost and limited availability, lutetium continues to drive innovation. Its unique properties make it a vital component in research and development, fueling advancements in materials science, nanotechnology, and beyond. Curious to learn more or looking to incorporate lutetium into your projects? Visit Stanford Advanced Materials for a wide range of lutetium products tailored to your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into the elements shaping our future.